Hello everyone, this is 6th lecture of Newton's laws of motion. This is Vinay Kad, and today we'll discuss some topics like Newton's second law of motion, some numericals, some new concepts. So first we'll take this example, and here given a mass m. This is mass m, and we have to find tension. So towards right hand side, the component of the tension will be T sine 37, and towards left side it is T sine 37. So both are equal in magnitude and opposites. Both are equal in magnitude and opposite, so they will cancel out each other. So the net component of the tension will be upwards, which will be T cos 37 equals to mg. So it will be 2 cos 37 mg, 2t, 4 by 5 is 10m, 50m by 8 is equals to t. So this will be tension. Now in the second question is given, and we have to find T1 and T2. So along the horizontal, the component of the T2 will be T2 sine 37. Now this body is at equilibrium, so can I write T1 is equals to T2 sine 37? This is our equation number 1, and from vertical it will be T2 cos 37 will be mg. This is our second equation. So from 1 and 2, can I say T1 is equals to 3 by 5 T2, and put into this T2 4 by 5 T2 equals to 10m. So T2 will be 50m by 4, and T1 will be 3 by 5 into T2 will be 50m, 50 by 4 into m. So 150m by 20 will be T1, that is 15 by 2m is T1, and T2 is 50 by 4 is T2, and 15 by 2m is T1. Now the next is, we all know F is equals to dP by dt, where P is momentum, which is mv. So can I write F is equals to m dv by dt? Why I'm taking m outside is because 99% cases mass is constant, and particularly I should say 99.9% cases in which mass is given as constant. In 0.1% cases the mass will be vary, like in the rocket. When the rocket is moving upwards, the mass is changing with time. So can I write F is equals to m? What is dv by dt? It is acceleration. So it is Newton's second law of motion. It is second law of motion, which says F is equals to m, but the condition is m should be constant, mass should be constant. So F is equals to ma comes, F is equals to ma, F is equals to dp by dt से आया, ना ही F is equals to dp by dt ma से आया. F is equals to ma comes from F is equals to dp by dt. Now that I'm मैं कुछ important एक चीज़ बताता हूँ, काफ़ी important. Acceleration and velocity की डायरेक्शन सेम भी हो सकती है एंड अपोजिट भी हो सकती है, नो प्रॉब्लम. बट acceleration and चेंज इन वेलोसिटी की डायरेक्शन हमेशा सेम होगी। Acceleration and change in velocity. Let's consider a circle. This is a circle. Let's take at this point it is velocity v initial and towards v final. Now we all know in the circle the acceleration is towards center. In the circle the acceleration is towards center, which is known as centripetal acceleration. Now what is delta v, which is vf minus v initial? So can I take vf is like this and vi is like this because it is minus v initial, so the next it is delta v, which is towards center. Like this, force and momentum की डायरेक्शन सेम भी हो सकती है और अपोजिट भी हो सकती है, कुछ भी हो सकती है, बट फोर्स एंड चेंज इन मोमेंटम की डायरेक्शन हमेशा सेम। चेंज इन मोमेंटम have always same direction. Now take a block of mass 5 kilograms and 10 Newton is applied, having 37 degree with horizontal. Find normal and acceleration. So first thing जो हमें अपने दिमाग में रखनी है, normal always acts as it tries to compress the body. So take FBD, free body diagram of 5 kg block. Now this is 5 kg block. To compress the body मुझे नॉर्मल ऐसे लगाना चाहिए कि ऐसे लगाना चाहिए. नॉर्मल शुड बी लाइक दिस, इससे ही कॉम्प्रेशन आएगा. ओके, दिस इज 5 किलोग्राम ब्लॉक. नॉर्मल इज लाइक दिस. what is mass of this body? 5 kilogram. What is mg? mg is always like downward 50 newton. Now can I say n so for n, first we find acceleration. 10 cos 37 is equals to 5 into a. 40 by 5 is equals to 5 into a. Cos 37 is 4 by 5, so 8 by 5 meter per second square is acceleration. And this 10 has vertical component also, which is 10 sin 37, that is 30 by 5, which is 6. So it has vertical component of 6